Morning students, myself Pranjal teacher. In our first chapter we have studied about basic concepts in geometry. Before we start our second chapter, that is angles, let us recall some basic concepts about the angle and its various types. So in standard 5th we already learned three types of angle. That is, first type is right angle. So, what is mean by right angle? So, an angle of 90 degree. An angle of 90 degree is called right angle. Is called right angle. So, you know how to draw the figure of right angle. See here, an angle of 90 degree is called a right angle. So, this is a right angle. Okay, here this sign shows that it is a exactly right angle. Right angle means what? Straight line. So, here I will show you right angle. Suppose this pen and this pen, if I keep like this way, then this is a right angle. Right angle means exactly 90 degree. Okay. Then our second type is acute angle. Okay. Our second type is acute angle. Now right angle means what? Angle of measure 90 degree is called right angle. Now suppose what I do is that see here, our second type now is acute angle. Now what is mean by acute angle? So an angle is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. An angle which is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called a right angle or is called an acute angle. An angle which is greater than 0 degree and but less than 90 degree is called a acute angle. So how we can show the figure of this acute angle? Here you can see. Right angle means exactly 90 degree straight line. So here below 90 degree means this type of angles will be the acute angle. So suppose below 90 means you can start from 10, 20, 30 up to 90. For example, this is angle of 40 degree. So this is a acute angle. So what is meant by acute angle? An angle which is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Our third type is obtuse angle. Our third type is obtuse angle. So now what is meant by obtuse angle? Now obtuse angle will be always greater than 90 degree. An angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree is called a obtuse angle. Now here you can see the figure of obtuse angle. Now above 90 degree it will go. So this type of angles will come like this way. Okay. So this is for example above 90 means you can take 110, 120 up to 170 or 79. So suppose this is angle of 120 degree. This is a obtuse angle. Okay, these three types we have learned about already in standard 5th. This year we are going to learn more types of angle or different types of angle. Okay. Now for these 3 types of angle you know already. Now I will show you some figures. Okay. For example, this is a watch. For example, this is a watch. So this watch, now what's the time in this watch? See, now it's the 4:30. Now you can see the hour hand and minute hand. Okay. So here which type of angle they form? Here. So obviously by observation we can tell it. Okay. So this is a acute angle, because here the angle which is formed in between these two hands is less than 90 degree. So this is a acute angle. Next example, I can show you this scissor. Now this scissor, suppose I have done like this way. Okay, this scissor. So now see, this hand is exactly straight. Okay, this is the straight hand and this one arm is here. So which type of angle is here? It is formed straight. So that is a right angle. This is a right angle which is formed in the scissor. Okay. Now if I take these two pens, so here this is a, see here, this is a right angle. If I go towards this direction, right hand, then this angle will be the acute angle. Okay. So again right angle. If I move towards this direction, then this angle is obtuse angle, which will be the greater than 90 degree. So these are the 3 basic types of angle which we have studied already.